Hello friends, welcome to Mad Over Shawl channel. I hope you guys are doing good in Unlock 2.0. I was sitting idle, so I thought why not to cover up 2 or 3 Pashmina shawls today. So here are the details, watch it. Today we are exploring the world of shawls. These shawls are made up of Pashmina fabric. Basically, Pashmina word comes from Persia. Pashm is a common word for wool. It is raw, unprocessed, soft, fine hair hand-combed from a domesticated goat, which has been and is still raised in Ladakh over an altitude of 14,000 feet. In European nation, Pashmina has simply been called Kashmir and Kashmiri wool. Today we are going to showcase and cover up 3 or 4 articles of Pashmina and antique Khani shawl. This is the Pashmina shawl and this has been crafted by Firasat Ali Khan. Basic decorative format of the shawl. Central body is displaying 6 horizontal rows of a shawl, 3 and 4 alternate offset of flowering plant. Narrow vertically side decorated borders probably been added to both the ends to increase the shawl length. The individual plant repeated in staggered rows across. The center of the textile is charming, perfectly vertically symmetrical and lacking any curled features. Therefore, this floral plant and by the implication of the shawl design must be dated from the middle of 18th century at the earliest. Combination of yellow, red, pink, light, blue and white makes the shawl more elegant and our first time experimenting with the Resham thread, and it has grabbed customer attention and throws good reviews. Being a new era Pashmina handmade shawl, it took more than 5 months to produce and breached its production timeline due to the spread of COVID-19. Now this is another Pashmina shawl. The basic design of the shawl starts with a floral plant decorated with long petals, and shawl center is displaying a total 8 offset rows with 2 and 3 different floral plants. Coloring combination looks much pretty when viewed from top angle. Many plants and blossom repeated in a staggered road across, and the center of the textile is amazing, perfectly symmetrical and lacking any curved feature. Many colors are used in completion of this design, like bright yellow, pink, purple, blue with beige color background, and the combination of these colors make this shawl most attractive, and this shawl finds its position among best article, and it took over 6 months to produce this amazing article. The basic feature of the shawl is center displaying a row of 4 floral plant pots with 5 offset rows with 3 and 4 blossom pots. Each flowering pot is highly decorated with stylized floral meanders. Beautiful karigari is done across the floral plant. Pot is surrounded with more leaves and blossom stems meander. To give design more strength and finish vertical and horizontal sides with decorated borders are added. Side borders increases the working area, simultaneously resulting in more length. This is a new era Pashmina handmade shawl, and it took more than 8 months due to COVID-19 spread and have been produced in our workshop. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please do not forget to like, subscribe my video channel. For queries, my WhatsApp details are shared below. You can visit the profile and can check the catalog where you can explore more categories. I will see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.